How to change profile photo on Cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile photo on Cake. So how do you change your profile photo? It is simple. The first step is to log in into your Cake account just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, you will be brought to your home page. The next step is move to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to your profile photos page. So click on your current photo, profile photo. Then you'll see three options: view photo, take picture, choose the existing. You can just go ahead to click on take picture if you want to take picture. But if you want to choose from existing photo, you can just go ahead to do that as well. So let's go back. Click on the photo, then choose existing, and then click on gallery and select the picture that you would like to use. Okay, and then click done and to be saved and updated. So this is how you can change your profile photo on Cake. Thank you for watching and have a good day.